What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car ramps on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is RhinoRamp's R4040 Race Ramp. These lightweight ramps from RhinoRamp are specially designed so they don't scuff up your garage floor and feature a 16.7-degree angle of approach intended for sports cars with minimal ground clearance. The RhinoRamps can accommodate vehicles up to 1,500 pounds per ramp with a maximum tire width of 8 inches and are made of a heavy, foam-like material and provide a good amount of clearance. They are large but designed to be light and easy to maneuver, and with a large surface, they should grip the ground securely, preventing slippage when moving a vehicle forward or backing it down. But given their weight rating, these ramps are only suitable for smaller sports cars as under heavyweight. The ramps can deform and bulge slightly without losing structural integrity. These ramps are also pricier than some other options on the market. In our list, the number 4 product name is FloTool 11909 RhinoRamp Vehicle Ramp Pair. These rugged ramps from Rhino Gear feature a non-skid base and a tread pattern that prevents tires from slipping with a 17-degree incline that is useful for low-clearance vehicles. They're also stackable when not in use and can hold vehicles up to 12,000 GVW gross vehicle weight with tires as wide as 9 inches. That's good enough for most cars and small to medium Cias. Rhino Gear made them of a sturdy, heavy-duty polymer, and it takes just seconds to set them up and drive a vehicle onto them. They also provide a good amount of clearance, enough to place a 5-gallon water bucket underneath. But there are downsides. The main being is if you hit the guards on the ends of the ramps while driving, the vehicle may drag them forward, and too much power or momentum can cause the ramps to slide and potentially crack. In our list, the number 3 product name is Black Widow PSR 295 Plastic Car Service Ramps. This set of black plastic ramps from Black Widow, an unfortunate name for a tool that's meant to impart safety, will lift your car or truck up to 6.25 inches off the ground. Each ramp measures 35.5 x 12 x 8.5 inches and is able to accommodate vehicles that weigh up to 16,000 pounds. The ramps have a gentle slope and a tire stopper at the end of the flat platform, and a gridded surface texture aids your tires in getting traction. They also have rubber feet on the bottom, which makes using these ramps safer and easier. There are also handle cutouts on the side to make carrying them easier. Unfortunately, the plastic used to manufacture these ramps is not the most durable, and you'll want to keep an eye out for cracking. They're also bulky, and you can't stack them, which makes storage a challenge. In our list, the number 2 product name is Discount Ramps Low-Profile Plastic Car Service Ramps. This is another option from Discount Ramps for lower-profile cars, as this set of 2 ramps have a low incline of 9.5 degrees. These ramps are made of heavy-duty plastic and feature a honeycomb design on the ramp and platform for better grip, stability, and helps to prevent the buildup of moisture. Each ramp measures 27.5 LX73, 4 YUX 2.5H, and they have a maximum weight capacity of 4,400. The plastic construction keeps them lightweight at just 9 pounds, which makes them a breeze to move about. While these lifts are designed for low cars, they don't actually lift the car very much. In total, they raise the car 2.5, so you may have to use a jack or service lift to get it further into the air. They also don't have any rubber or non-slip footings, so they'll slide around on your garage floor. In our list, the #1 product name is BISupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set. If you have extra wide tires, want to perform maintenance on a truck, or need to accommodate a large weight capacity, these ramps from BISupply are a good option. They can hold up to 10,000 pounds per ramp, which makes them a great option for pickup trucks, SUVs, and vans as well as cars. The ramps weigh 19.5 pounds each and have a larger surface area compared to some rival options, measuring 11.3 inches wide, 47 inches long, and lifting your vehicle 6.6 inches off of the ground. These ramps feature a textured traction design, so tires stay firmly in place and are easy to use. Made of thick plastic with non-skid pads on the bottom, so they won't slide around on your driveway or garage floor. However, these ramps are a bit more expensive compared to some rival options, and while they are generally well built, the feet may not stay firmly attached to the ramp. Also, they're not a great option for rocky or uneven ground.